Everything we join or participate in is a distinct program. When we are in the habit of responding automatically to our environments, we tend to join into programs through the parts of us that have experienced suffering, the various dramas and traumas that have impacted our lives. But what if there was a tool, an internal software, available for us to manually download? A mindset that could facilitate our ability to choose wisely in the various programs that we join. At Urban Spiritualist, we believe that change is co-created. You and I are about to embark on a journey together, a virtual experience through what I call immersive meditation, using the Roar software, our tool for self-reflection, to visualize and thus actualize how we can bring our roar off of the mat and into our day-to-day lives. Welcome to Exploring the Field, the first in a series of trainings powered by immersive meditation. This introductory field training invites you to creatively engage your ability to become aware of your own default settings, the conditioned responses and behaviors that shape your filtered views of the world. Exploring the Field utilizes the Roar software's practice of self-reflection to offer virtual opportunities for you to contemplate and begin to actively engage with your own creative force, the urban spiritualist within. Roar is geared towards assisting us and recognizing who we are by helping us to go within ourselves, to redefine the ideas we hold about ourselves while actively participating in the material world. Our immersive meditation will leave you with a focused disposition to better take your meditation practice off of the mat and into your life. All of this in only 10 minutes. Join us.